सफ़र की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिलों को पार करते हैं। जो सफ़र की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिलों को पार करते हैं। एक बार चलने का इरादा तो करो। मुसाफिरों का तो रास्ते भी इंतज़ार करते हैं। बट you will say that how can I don't fit into this world because I don't have this, I don't have that. So many factors come to your mind which lower your self-esteem and self-confidence. Don't you think so? That you have feelings like I can't go out, I look crazy, I feel shy while talking to people, I feel embarrassed when they stare at me while eating, I don't know how to speak fluently in English, I am good for nothing. Each day, each and every day, thousands of people face these kind of personality issues. They lose their self-esteem and confidence in such a way that they get scared of speaking, going out and interacting with people. I see a lot of people struggling to speak and to talk about their feelings. After exploring the situation, I discovered a few reasons, like either they hesitate because they don't have exposure, or maybe they don't know how to speak fluently and smartly, or maybe they don't have dining habits. To conclude, they feel they don't have that personality to fit in. But feeling these things will not make any difference. Taking action will. Today's world needs change and self-acceptance. In order to do that, they could focus on their positive sides and should not feel bad for not having what they want. Instead, they should feel happy about the things they have, because someone else may be dreaming about that. Every person has their own set of skills. One can be an on stage person, then others can be behind the stage person. And there is nothing bad in being a backstage person, because every successful stage performance is the effort of behind the stage organizer. So don't change yourself by looking at others. Chase what you have, not what others have. They might be good at their stage, but remember, you are the kind of your own position. You can watch people around and adapt to their skills and become the best version of yourself. So build yourself. How and what are your skill tree to resolve your personality insecurities? You must be very confident to fight your situations. Think like there is no other way. Most importantly, you should love yourself and accept yourself. Accept yourself in such a way that you don't need society to accept you. Number one rule of personality development is self-acceptance. But the question arises, how it works. What if you don't like reading books? Guys, the answer is little things make a difference. Just start with small efforts. It can be reading a page of a book in a day, or watching one inspirational video a day, or they can see an ocean is filled by the little drops. If you will start pouring drops today, then you will definitely create the ocean one day. Let's take an example of Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google. Yeah, he belonged to a very small town and started to fill his ocean a long time ago. Today is drifting at the corner of his own created ocean by being one of the most successful entrepreneur. So adopt a few things and watch the change in you along with cherishing your flaws, because you are perfect and capable to do anything. Just make right efforts at the right time. Yeah, are you ready?